Good afternoon. It is April 18th, 2017, tax day. Wow, did I take a hit. I just don't, it bothers me the way the money is spent. We'll start with our customary disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Well, we came in today in the mini. I can sell 42s, 45s. Buy one. Buy two. When you had that information in your hands early on. Retest failure trade right here, but no other signals. A buy, small winner. Retest failure, positive. Then we go into chop, and you just basically trading the edges, making a little triple top right here. The trade of the day. Then we're back into chop. We break it out right here, and we rally back up. Looks like we're going to close it in the 23.38 area. Close to mid-range, 23.37 would be, and get ready to trade tomorrow. There is no news to speak of tomorrow. We have crude inventories in the beige book, so we won't have a lot to drive tomorrow's trading. Looking at the F1 screen, higher low, higher high. F1 says it's okay to buy it. Looking at the F2 screen, that's leaning P, not a very strong profile if I put it all together. Still leaning P, so okay to buy it off this one too. No news to speak of tomorrow, so buy one. 30 to 32, might have to raise that up to 35. 25.27 for buy two. 43.45, sell one. 48.50, sell two. Looking at the note. Very strong day today, and treasuries took off. Treasuries did not respond to the rally in the E-mini at all, as they normally would by selling. We have ourselves an outside day. Means we could trading range. It's a trend day up, and tomorrow is most likely to be a pause day. So we're not afraid to sell failure to take out today's high or the Globex high. And you can see we have multiple distributions higher. We have two distributions up today, and there's the latest one. So 26 to 20 to 24. So sell one's 19 to 23. Sell two 27 to 31. If the E-mini busts this afternoon, we do not want to be short the E-mini. The treasuries. Buy number one, 9 to 13. E-mini sells this afternoon. We're going to have to pay up. And then 1 to 5 for buy two. Okay, the low volume number up here is 155.22. We're at 10, so 16 to 20. Number 1, 23.27, sell 1. 31 to 03, sell 2. Last rotate out at 04, so number 1 is the buck to 04. 25, 29 by 1. Put us right into this area right here. And then 13 to 17 by 2. Breakout. Looking at gold. Gold was all over the map today. Lower high, lower low could sell. I really think the selling early in the morning and the failure of gold to react to the morning's news was the big players in the exchange knew that there was a huge order out there waiting to hit the market, and when that order was out of the way, they stepped up to the plate and got long. 94, 96, sell 1. And for those of you that are conspiracy theorists, that fits your narrative. It broke out at 89. We're at 92, so 88 to 99 to 90 by 1. Don't want to be short if the E-mini is selling. Then 84, 86 by 2. But you can start to make these inferences. It doesn't mean that you're right, but it is a logical, plausible explanation. And if you like to know the why behind something, it makes it easier to take trades, in my opinion. Crude oil, all over the map, did manage to finish up for the day. Fundamentals remain weak. Lower high, lower low, F1, find a place to sell it. F2, leaning P. So 53 and a quarter, 53.50, sell 1. 53.75, 54, sell 2. On the buy side, 52.50, 52.75. We nailed crude today as far as where the ranges are. And you say, oh, great. Yeah, that's fine, Charlie. We nailed crude, but why in the hell didn't I make any money? Well, as markets slow down, we're just going to have to, like we do on the E-mini and other ones, we're just going to have to 10-minute charts, buy against the mode, sell against the mode. Those type of trades are where we'll come in and we'll do it. Fundamentals remain lousy for crude, but Citi came out with a big article this morning before the market opens up saying that prices for crude $60 at the end of the year. That was probably somewhat supportive. Okay, the euro, the cable, or the pound dollar spread blew up this afternoon. That's what gave us the huge spike in the euro. And probably a little move right out of the middle right here. So F1 screen says buy it. And we're going to see that in the F2 also. So multiple distributions higher, and the J period explosion is when that took place. Okay, trend day up. Piece of news associated with it. A little bit higher in London, sell 107.75s. Sell 108. Now, sometimes it takes 2 days for the short to set up, so we don't have to be in a hurry to do this. On the buy side, 107.50. 7 and a quarter by 2. And that does it for this April the 18th, 2017. I will see you bright and early in the morning. You all have a great evening.